Balin, welcome to We're in Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, nandito tayo ngayon sa SM City Clark and we were invited by Vans Philippines for their grand opening today. So guys, samahan nyo ako, libutin natin ito, tingnan din natin kung sino yung makakasama natin sa video. And if you wanna know more about what you can buy here, samahan nyo po ako. Let's go!
Hey everyone, this is Lauren. Come visit Vans Philippines is now open here at SM City Clark. Make sure to check out all the available items here, including the old school Vans shoes. And enjoy perks and discounts only here at SM City Clark.
Hi guys! Welcome to Vans Philippines, SM City Clark.
Hi everyone! Ayan, inaanyayahan po namin kayo na pumunta sa opening ng Vans. Located po yan sa SM City Clark ground level. See you there!
Hi, my name is Rep, and I'm here at the newest branch of Vans Philippines, here at the ground floor at SM City Clark. Tara, punta kayo dito.
Hi guys! We're here at Vans. Dito yan sa ground floor, SM Clark. Alam nyo ba, ngayon yung opening ng Vans and sobrang daming mga magagandang shoes, items na pwede nyong pagpilian ngayong this holiday. Super excited kami kasi fan na fan kami ng Vans. Kaya punta na kayo dito sa Vans, ground floor, SM City Clark.
Welcome to Vans Philippines, SM City Clark.
Hi, welcome to Vans Philippines, SM City Clark.
Hi guys, welcome to Vans Philippines, SM City Clark. Hey guys, welcome to Vans to SM City Clark.